Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Excel file into your Word file. So let's start the video. First of all, suppose I want to convert this Excel into my Word file. So first of all, go to your Word document and you have to select a blank document, and after that go to insert option here on top, and here on the right corner you can see the option object. Just click it and go to create from file. Just click it here and browse the file you want to convert. Click that browse option, and I want to convert this file. Just double click it to open and just click OK here and give it some time to load the file, and you can see my Excel file is on my Word file. So in this way you can easily convert Excel into Word. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.